Welcome to Haier Water Heater Exhibition Area. Haier was rewarded as global #1 water heaters for 9 consecutive years. And today we bring you new patented technology called single seam tank. This is an ordinary water heater have 3 seams, but our water heater have just one hidden seam which prevents it from water leaking and more safety for health. One more benefit is that you can connect your water heater through Wi-Fi to your app and start the BPS function through Wi-Fi to enjoy a hot shower.